spices of devotion, simmering heat. Every meal tells a story, every taste so sweet. From sunrise to sunset, flavors greet. Love served on plates, a divine feast. Food is a language, love as the taste. Culinary queen, her love's cuisine. Hearts intertwined in the dish is serene. Cooking up joy, happiness, fresh green. Filling their souls, a love supreme.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a wonderful recipe. This is good for any occasion. It's good for supper, lunch, parties, picnics, whatever. You know, you could take it to a potluck if you want. This is going to be an easy recipe. There's a couple things I don't have, like red peppers, green peppers, or yellow peppers. But I'm going to use up what I have today to make this beautiful salad, okay? And I'm going to add a couple other things to it. So first off, I have a red onion, or a purple onion. I cut it up already, so there's half an onion there. Whew. Smell that onion. And then we're going to add 1 can of peaches and corn in the can. We're going to drain it first though, guys. So you got to make sure all that liquid's out of there. Now I had this once or twice years ago. Jay's sister makes it. But I don't know her recipe. So I'm just going with what I think it is. And I'm just making my recipe as I go on. And I'm just making my own up. 1 can. Okay. Next up, we got a tomato. I want to add tomato because I don't have red pepper, right? And this piece here looks like it's not that great. So this is the one I just got on the reduce rack. I had 4 tomatoes on a reduce rack with a lettuce. Had a lettuce for $1.99. So, you know, we're going to use this up today because we all know that sometimes the tomatoes don't last a hell of a long time. Sometimes they do. Sometimes they stay on your counter for months. Well, not months, weeks, you know. And there's nothing wrong, but I'd rather to use them up. And this is a great way to use it up today. And I'm going to cut them into little squares. You know? Just little, like little salsa squares, you know? Cube them, I guess you would say. Don't want to mash them. Now this is a nice salad for summer. But it's also a nice salad to have if you have company over, you know? It's a nice side. But we're going to eat it as our meal tonight for supper. Because we can. It's a nice day out. Maybe we'll go sit on the deck and have that. Is it cold outside, Jay?
Not really.
Oh my god, it says 22.
That's in the sun.
That's in the sun. Woo! So it's probably, what, 15 and not in the sun?
Probably somewhere, I'd say more like 11.
Oh, that's not good. Okay, so you see what's in the bowl, right? Sorry about the sun, guys. It's coming through here. But, you know, that's the way it is. And that's what the curtains close. I'm going to rinse that. So I'm trying to make more summer themed, you know, or easier meals. This is a cold meal. You don't even have to cook it, right? So I got about 1 cup of shredded cheese. So this is old cheddar. Old cheddar cheese. Da-na-na-na-na-na. You could choose the cheese you want. I'm using old cheddar. You be quiet. Stop dripping around there. You hear that? It's dripping. It's dripping. You don't have to do this part, but we want to add some salad to it because we're making it an actual meal. You don't have to add the lettuce to it. I'm going to add some lettuce to it. I'm going to shred it very finely and add some lettuce to this just to make it a really good meal. Okay. So let's shred the lettuce. Actually, you know what? Body scissors. Body scissors. It's easier that way. You know? That way you have more control. You have control with the knife too, but it's funner with the batty scissors because they're so sharp. Watch your fingers because, you know, I don't want to cut my finger off. Nat, don't even say that because then you will. See how nice and sharp that is? And it's fun. Do, 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 do. People are like, oh, I never thought of doing that. That's a great idea. Exactly. Natty has great ideas, you know? He uses her scissors quite a bit instead of a knife. Trim it off like that. This lettuce was beautiful. There was nothing wrong with it. Okay? And like I said, I got it on a reduced rack on Saturday. And right now it's Tuesday. And that's perfectly fine. I put it through the spinner today. And look at how beautiful that is. Crisp, fresh lettuce. Like, it's so crisp. Beautiful. You know? So, batty scissors worked great for this. And this is going to be great. I think this is going to be a fantastic meal tonight. Jay's going to love it. I'm sure he will. Okay. Now, if I had some cut olives, I would add olives to that, but I'm not going to because it's just more work. Keeping it basic, guys. So I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro. I don't have fresh cilantro, but I have dry. So cilantro it is. Okay. Now, if you wanted to, you could add chili spice to that, like a chili pepper, or if you wanted it a little hot, but I'm not doing that. So 2 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise should do it, I think. I don't know how much mayonnaise. I didn't even check how much. Okay. Sour cream. We got 15%. Is it 15%? 14% sour cream. We got the really fat one. Good sour cream. 1, 2, 3 heaping. Let's try that for now, because I don't know how much I need here. And now we got these corn chips. So I got the Selection brand, but you could get the Frito ones. I just got corn chips because it was corn chips and it was cheap. So, kind of crush it down just a little bit. I say 3 handfuls would be good. Let's see how this is going to mix. Okay, let me just wash my hands first. Oh, it's crummy. Put this aside. Clean this area a little bit because it's bugging me. Bugging me. Clean up crew. Clean up crew. Okay. Gonna put the sides. Okay. Now, I think the tongs would work good with this. My little baby tongs. I love these little tongs. Look at the little baby tongs. I don't like the big ones. I really don't. I wonder if I should add cucumbers to this. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks good, doesn't it? Looks fantastic. A little bit of salt and pepper would do too. Magic pepper. Magic pepper. A little bit of salt. Magic salt. Magic sea salt. Make sure it's all in there. I think it needs a little bit more of the corn chip. Maybe about a handful. Like that. I still have chips for snacking on. Now, this is just a corn chip. It's not the barbecue flavor or anything like that. So, I could leave it like this. Sour cream. But I think I'm going to add a couple of things to it. Just to add some flavor because I'm Natty. I love flavor. Okay. Natty loves the flavor. Flavor up for things. So the thing I've really been into, as you know lately, it's smoked paprika. So I got the McCormick. Put some smoked paprika in there. There, yeah. Oh. Ooh, this looks good. I think this is going to be good. I think Jay's going to love this. If you want a little bit more, like, sweetness to it or dill to it, you could add pickles, sweet pickles, or just dill pickles to that. I'm just leaving it like this. We're going to try it, and we're going to see if it's good. So let's turn the camera around and check out this baby. Okay. Just gonna eat from the big bowl. Why did I blow on it? Ooh, that's good. This is just for me and Jay, so double dip, yeah, okay. Let's see. That is delicious. That is delicious. Jay, come and taste. Come taste, baby. I would put a can of chicken in here, or just cut up some chicken and put it in here as well. You could put tuna if you want. I think I might just put tuna in here. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put tuna in there. Just for the protein. Come here, babe. His hair's messy. His beard's messy. Yeah. Like that? Needs tuna?
I don't think it would hurt, but it doesn't eat it.
That was freaking good. Tuna, chicken, anything you like in there for a meat. Bacon. Oh! Bacon would have been good. Oh well. Let's eat what you have, right?
Nope. Thanks for my dish. That's not mine.
So we're going to go have supper. That's my easy meal for tonight, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon with more videos, so stay tuned for more. Go ahead and try it. I made this, and I was telling Janet about it, and Janet's like, oh, I can't wait to watch it. Janet, you and Kevin would love this. Definitely. Definitely, definitely. Definitely. You and Kevin would love this, Janet. Janet, I was telling you about this recipe that I was going to do it. This is a great recipe. You would love it. Sherry, you would love this too. The kids would love it. So stay tuned for more, guys. I got lots of recipes to come. So, yeah. Have a great day. Bye for now. Yeah. I took some out of the bowl and I gave Jay the rest. He's a happy boy. He loves salad.
Oh my.
Do you like this salad?
I do.
Should I do it again? Right on.